Ndewo, nọ na nkụzi ụbọchị taa. Aha m bụ Nwaada Blessing Ifunanya Chukwuma. Na nkụzi ụbọchị taa, anyị ga-amụ maka mkpọ aha. Hello and welcome to Igbotutorials. My name is Blessing Ifunanya Chukwuma. In today's lesson, we are going to learn about the plurality of nouns. The plural form of an Igbo noun is spelled the same as its singular form. So how do we know if it's plural or not? Unlike in English language where you can simply add an S, it's a different ballgame altogether in Igbo language. Therefore, by the end of this lesson, you should be able to know the plural forms of nouns in Igbo language. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you're ready, let's begin. So one might ask, how do you differentiate between singular and plural in Igbo if you can add S and if the spellings are all the same? Easy. We use these rules. Let me pick my pen. We use ndi or omo to make nouns plural in Igbo. We use no. Also, when we are addressing a crowd of people or a group of people, okay, we use onye when we are addressing a particular title or a particular sect or group. They might seem confusing, but when we start our examples, you will be able to understand properly. We also use numbers and ordinal numbers to show the plurality of a noun. Okay? Let's see examples of how we use nde or omo and no. Okay? The first, let me pick my pen. Here we have nwoke, which is man. Okay, we don't have a way of saying a or the in Igbo language. We don't have a way of saying a man or the man. Okay, so bo a or the simply means man. Okay, then when we come to men, we now say umu nwoke. Okay, they are now 2 or 3 or 4 or 5. Umu nwoke. Same goes for women, which is nwanyi, umu nwanyi. Here we have ndi mmadụ, which is people. Mmadụ is a person, ndi mmadụ is people. Nwa is child. To say children, we say ụmụaka. Okay, ụmụaka. Let's come to know when we are now addressing a group of people or a crowd. When you want to say good job, you all, it's jisienu ike. Jisienu ike o. Jisienu ike. Good job, you all. Okay. Ndewo no is hello everybody. Ndewo no. Hello everybody. Dalo no. Well done you all, or well done everybody. Dalo no. Let's move on. Let's see how we use onye. Now it's for title or for profession or vocation or something like that. So we say for a visitor is onyobia. Onyobia. Lawyer is onyeikpe. Owner is onyenwe. Traveler onyeije. Teacher onye nkuzi. Okay, onye ọbịa, onye ikpe, onye nwe, onye ije, onye nkuzi, and so on and so forth. So let's see how we use ordinals and numbers to show the plurality of a noun. Okay, so if you want to say the first month, which is like January, we say onwambo. Okay, it's called onwambo. Second month, which is February, is onwankabo. Third month, which is like March, is called onwanke ato. Okay, then if you want to say 1 month, okay, you say otu onwa. 1 month. 2 months, onwa abo. 2 months, like 2 months. You see, we don't have a way of putting s or anything at the end of abo. Abo is still abo, but we now use this way, this structure, to show that we use numbers now to show that it's more than 1 month. 3 months is onwa ato. Now, if you don't know how to read numbers in Igbo or how to use numbers in Igbo, down in the description box there is going to be a link to the video on numbers, so you can go there and learn, so you can have a better understanding of using ordinals and numbers. Okay, all right, that brings us to the end of today's lesson. I sincerely hope that you got something from it. Write your questions in the comment section below and rest assured that you will get a reply. Favorite this video, like this video, share this video, and subscribe to this channel. I'm still blessing Ifunanya Chukuma. Till next time, God bless you.